Is your phone acting sluggish? Here's a magic two-step fix. Why do we need this? Use this fix if your apps are freezing, your battery is draining fast, or your phone runs hot. After an update, an app may occasionally keep temporary files that no longer work properly with the new version. It's like a quick tune-up for your device. Step 1. Navigate to your apps. Open your Settings app. Tap on Apps. You may need to select See All Apps. Find and tap the app that is acting up like Chrome, YouTube, or Facebook. Step 1. Clear the cache. Tap the button that says Clear Cache. A warning to take very seriously. Do not tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, as this deletes your personal app settings. Make sure you tap the button that says Clear Cache. Step 2. The fresh reboot. On Pixel 6 and newer, press and hold power and volume up for a few seconds. On other Android phones may use a different method. Tap Restart on the screen. Once the phone turns back on, let it sit for a minute or two to let the system settle in. Keep your tech running smoothly. Try these steps whenever a particular app starts freezing, running slowly, or behaving strangely. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.